Oh yeah. So, the custom Mad Max Chevelle in all its glory. The little bit of light work there, left that one out so it was like it was broken in it. I like that bumper, that came out well. One thing I wish I did with that bumper is I wish I chromed it first, like with a chrome pen, and then did the rust. I think that would have looked much better. But all in all, I think this looked pretty cool. The matte clear coat rubbed off nearly all of the dust effects that I put on there. Like, there is nothing left on the hood anymore, so fair enough. Can still see some of the random speckled effects. Quite a lot of the dust, like the powder in the back, went as well. I think what I was meant to do is actually clear coat, or do something so it's sticky and then dab it on so it actually stays there. So I was kind of doing it wrong, but yeah, quite a few ups and downs on this. My god, these archways took me forever to file down. I ended up gluing the wheels together. I mean, they're still a little bit, they don't roll very well. Yeah, and of course we glued the switch in and had the whole faff about with the tiny little LED. But all in all, this is awesome. I love this. That big engine is so cool. And of course we got that really nice light. Yes. Oh, it shines up on the car and all. Man, that looks cool. Let's get the old lights off. Yeah, let's get all the lights off. Yeah. Can't be fully dark because of, well, daylight exists. But look at that. Wow, it lights its path through the dead of night. Literally, the dead night. So there we go. The custom Mad Max Chevelle. Let's bring in another Chevelle. It won't be the same. It won't be the original color that this was. But it'll be another one. It'll be the same thing, just a different, like, it doesn't have the red wheels. So here we have an original. One of the original Daredevil 70 Chevelles. Not gonna lie, they look pretty cool. This is the red variation. I'm pretty sure that the Mad Max Custom came from a blue variation, but hey, they're pretty much the same thing. Just a different paint job, which obviously doesn't matter because we completely got rid of it. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty chuffed with it. The switch is a bit strange where it is, but hey, it's a Mad Max Custom. What does it matter? I do quite like the little wire that goes in around the roof. I think that looks cool. I've learned quite a bit from this one. There was a lot of problems, a lot of things I had to do and change. A lot of body work had to be filed down in the base, and it was hard to get the engine in straight as well. That was another slight difficulty. Obviously we had to cut up the roof as well. Bit random. Would have maybe looked better with a truck, but I quite like the two bits left at the back and the sort of slight overhang of the roof. Looks like a sort of cool styled spoiler. So yeah, I think I've learned quite a bit from this. I've also learned how to solder those tiny little LEDs, which brings a lot of opportunity for future customs that I've really wanted to do. And yeah, overall I'm chuffed with it. I've also learned how to use the powder a bit better. Don't put it on dry, then clear coat. It seems to come off. Do a layer of clear coat and then stick it on so it stays, because it will stick. Let's turn that light on real quick. Oh yeah. Oh, love that light. It looks so cool. So anyway guys, once again, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Sorry about it being another like 4-part video. It just kind of happened. Hopefully in the next few customs I'm going to try and keep them into just a 1-part video, slim it down a bit, add some music, and try not to talk as much as well. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. I definitely had a lot of fun making this car. However, there was a lot of irritating times with things like the front bar and the lights. But anyway, pretty fun. Got some good learning out of it, and I hope you enjoyed watching the videos. So, I hope to see you again in my other Hot Wheels videos. If not, maybe I'll see you in the next custom. Please be sure to leave a like down below. Maybe leave a comment what you think of this custom. Be sure to leave a suggestion for the videos, because I'm not particularly sure how to record and edit these. I'm working on it, I'm getting used to it. So any suggestions down below will be greatly appreciated. And of course, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more Hot Wheels and custom car content. So as always, I hope to see you in the next video.